Hi guys, I'm WadaC2 from uklockspot.co.uk. I've literally just walked through the door from work and found this package through the letterbox. Looking at the back, the sender is the fantastic Picking Paul on our UK Locksport forum. So I am assuming this is the PAPAIZ CR40 padlock that Paul sent to add to my collection. So thank you, my friend. Obviously it's still in the package. I'm going to have a go at picking it out of the package. That's the padlock. PAPAIZ, it says 200/40. Lovely little padlock. This must be the tension wrench that Paul made from, I think it was a lever wire that he made that went sort of wrong, so he decided to turn it into a pick, or should I say, sorry, a tension wrench. I'll have a go with that in a second, I think, if I get time. It's locked up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pin. And if it's like the other PAPAIZ locks, all driver pins, I would assume, spool pins. Let's have a look. Try a short hook on it first, and a favourite tension wrench. It is a bit of a funny keyword. Not surprised, Paul, that you made a different wrench for it. See if that goes in. Yeah, you're right, very tight. So we'll get on with this. It's pinging out. Try adjusting the angle. Generally with PAPAIZ locks I do start, if I can, front to back. Don't move very well, bit of a drop there. Find a couple of binders now. Another drop. Counter rotation, this might do it, and it has. So that's actually picked the lock. Lock it back up. Is the key working? I'll show you that on the back of my mobile phone. Hopefully you can see that. So let's quickly have a go with Paul's tension wrench. If I can get it out. Without breaking it. 1 second, pair of scissors. Let's give this a try. I use the same pick. Not used to picking at that sort of angle, but let's see how we get on with it. Like Paul showed in his video, you can see a heck of a lot more in there. So Paul, I think this is a fantastic idea, my friend. And the drop. Oh, that was quicker than the first one, but went very quick. I do like that a lot. So thank you for also sending me that, my friend. So that's the PAPAIZ 40mm padlock. It'll go with my little collection. I've also got a 60mm, 50mm, also got a 50mm cutaway, PAPAIZ 45mm, and a little dinky PAPAIZ 20mm. So thank you so much, Paul, my friend, for this lock. It will look lovely displayed with these other PAPAIZ padlocks. So I can't thank you enough, my friend. Thank you very, very much. And if you are newbies to Locksport, guys, please come and visit us at www.uklocksport.co.uk. Thanks for watching. Happy picking, and please keep it legal.